Hello everyone, we're here tonight at Driptea Opon. They actually opened when?
October 4.
October
4, ma'am.
October 4, but you had your soft opening grand
Yeah.
grand opening.
The grand opening is on Sunday.
Last Sunday.
Yes, ma'am.
So I missed their grand opening because I was somewhere up north. But we're here tonight, and do you have all flavors available now?
As of now, ma'am, the premium and the classic and the signature is the Caro cheesecake. Caro cheesecake, no?
Taro cheesecake for signature, ma'am, and then for dark cocoa series is dark Oreo mousse.
Okay, so not all the flavors are available yet, but they have all three sizes. They have low dose, high dose, and overdose. And the biggest that they have is overdose, which is 139 pesos in ani kada 1 liter ni no?
Yes, ma'am, 1 liter.
99 naman siya per classic, ma'am. Depending sa type.
Oh, it depends on the type of milk tea. So they have classic, premium, fusion. What pa may fusion? What pa may fusion? They have signature as well. So, guys, you must try their Oreo cheesecake. It's actually the flavor that I love the most here at Driptea. So don't forget, they're located across Y and C near it's in Opon Mercado, do you know? In Opon Mercado. They open 11 a.m. and close at 7 p.m. So guys, alina mo kay near Jollibee Radasa, and 5 max lang ang pwede mo suot sa ilang store. So see you guys.
Thank you.
Say sulti?
Thanks for visiting birthday! Thanks for visiting!
Ay, ko ba?